Yes, yes. Today, I'm heading to Little India, a completely different side of Singapore. I'm in Little India right now.
automatic
The streets here are full of color. It is loud, it is busy, but it feels very warm and welcoming. I walked through the market and it felt like walking into a different country within the heart of Singapore. This, all the shops, I'm very familiar with them. The food. I want to eat samosa. This place looks like a market area, like how we have it in India, right? Same. All the vegetables, everything looks familiar. This street is full of shops, like all the famous shops of India. See? I'm looking for food, man. Where is food? This place looks like I'm in Chennai. Biryani. Let's see.
काजल की शादी का फिर
most of the shops are jewelry shops here. That's what I see. This is Sri Viramakali temple, dedicated to goddess Kali, covered in statues and carving. It's one of the oldest temple in the city. After soaking in Little India, I headed to airport because in Singapore, the airport is more than just an airport.
Next station, Bedok. And Changi Airport.
Changi Airport. We are going to the Jewel right now. This is Jewel Changi. The first thing I saw is the Rain Vortex, the tallest indoor waterfall in the world. Water cascading down from the ceiling, surrounded by forest of trees. It doesn't even feel real. There are walking trails, suspension bridges, even a butterfly garden. And at the night time, the waterfall itself has a light show. Honestly, this is one of the only airport where you actually want a flight ticket. The Jewel of Changi. So this is the famous waterfall which everyone comes to see. It's nice. More than the waterfall, it is really nice to sit here and just relax and do nothing. Now, I'm heading to Cambodia. I have arrived in Cambodia and this is the hotel we have got. Let me show you the hotel. So this one is just $25. So we have bathtub, toilet over here. This is the shower area. I think it is spacious, very spacious for $25. We have a large queen bed, sitting area, all the things I need, and then we have a balcony. Whoa, I like this. So from the balcony I can see, I think it's a pagoda. Nice. So first day in Phnom Penh. Today it's a resting day. Tomorrow let's see where we go.